Yeah, yeah, guys. Good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is your boy JJ Money. So today's video is gonna be awesome. It's gonna be interesting, and it's gonna be a swing strategy on how to make crazy amount of pips. And it's going to be using a simple indicator which I got, and I would like to share with you all for free. Remember, what I do here is for free. I give you guys value, and take advantage of this also. I'm not just going to just share it without using it. So the three things we need is the indicator I'm going to share with you, moving average 50, exponential, and ADX. So make sure the moving average is 50, the ADS is put 25 and 14, and mostly when I use, how do I use ADX is when the price is above it, I know the market is trending. Once the price is below it, market is ranging. So we don't trade when it's ranging. But the ADX is optional. Sometimes I might not use it, sometimes I use it. Okay, so how would you add the indicator? So once I send it to you, once you want to get, just make sure you join our Telegram group and then request for the indicator, then to be sent to you for free, no, nothing attached. All right, so just go, if you want to add the indicator, just go to your open data folder. It works on MT4. If you have any developer that wants to convert it to MT5, you're welcome. All right, so you can just install it here, and that's that. All right, so then later in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to use the same strategy to turn $10 to $1,000 or to $10,000 and the rest. So, but for now, I'm just gonna show you how to catch 100 pips every day, every week. What is every week? Like every week you can make 500 to 1000 pips, but at least in a day, 2 days, you get minimum of 100 pips with this strategy. All right, so we'll be starting from the 1st of January. So, but the chart started from 2nd of January, and we could use this. So if you need these tools, I use it for my back testing to place a pair, put a time, put the dates, just put one. If you lose, just put minus. If it's a win, just put 5 hour and the rest, and you get it. So because of time, I won't be using this tool for record keeping on the back testing. I'll just use the simple um, notepad. Okay, so we're using gold 30 minutes, and the time frame is 30 minutes. All right, so we're going to just put win and lose, win, win, and loss. Okay, so I'm just gonna be placing 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, because I know that anytime I get a 1 to 100 is a win. All right, so remember the stop loss could be maybe 20 pips or 30. You can work on it, decide on what you want to use. The beauty about this strategy, it works on all time frame. For 1 minute, I'll show you after the end of the video how you can use it to pass per frame as fast as speed of light. Within three three trading days or 5 trading days, you can pass your per frame phase one on phase two. I'm going to be doing that live also with you guys to show you I talk the walk or I do the work, whatever. All right, so let's go straight to the video. And I'm not going to be using any session time to trade. I'll just plot them. So first rule is that you want to see the price up, you want to see the price trending. I will not be using the ADS so much on this back testing. So the only two stuff we're just going to use is the arrows, which is the special indicator, and also the price and the so remember the price candle is an indicator. So know that, because some people say, yeah, I don't like indicator, it doesn't work. It's a lie. This candlestick is an indicator, and all of this indicator, moving average, they all use the candlestick for data because that's what we have. So don't mind them, they don't know what they're saying. Many of them use tools to trade. They use Fibonacci, and they say we don't use indicator. They use other block. They say we don't use. Those are all indicators. So it doesn't have to be like a special moving average before you name it indicator. So let's move. I'm talking too much. And so first thing first, once price is above here, you want to see an arrow appear um, above the moving average. But for example, if the price closes above and the arrow appears here, you're going to be taking a buy. Okay, So let's say you took a buy here, your stop loss will be, let's say, 30 pips. So 30 pips should be below here. I don't want to zoom in too much, so 30 pips should be somewhere around there, but this candle would have taken it. So, but probably because you might decide to make it lower a bit because of, sometimes gold, some season, the 30 pips will not be the same of 30 pips at New York, for example. 2 pips or 10 pips in on London in gold would be different size of 10 pips in New York or in Asia. So you could just decide to place it maybe below the candle, a bit below, and do and see. So you did 100 pips here. So this would have been a win number one. All right, so you just put one. All right, so and I'm also see this is gonna blow your mind. We're gonna use this to do a lot of stuff this year, guys. Just stick with me. So the next trade is this. The next trade went from here. So we took this trade here. So if you look at this ADS, we would have not taken it here. But that's why sometimes you might miss some trades if you don't, if you're following it. But this you would have taken all of the three. We might say if the three align, it's high probability. If the two align, it's low probability, but you can still take it. All right, so you can risk little, but if this is here, you can risk high. But that doesn't mean you might not lose. Okay, so next trade is gonna be this sell trade. Price closes below your candle, your stop loss is gonna be here. So because we can't say 30 pips, stop loss is just going to be the high, not this high, like maybe a higher or the previous candle high. So let's say 65 pips, and what will be our take profit? 65 pip, like 120, yeah, somewhere around there would have been 120 pips. Simple, guys. Oh my God. Who would teach you this? How would you get this? Simple. You don't really need to draw a lot of. Oh my God. You don't need to do top-down analysis. You don't need to. This is just it, man. And you have to understand, you are going to have some losses, yes, but you just know that overall the edge will win. All right, so next trade, you're not going to take this trade because you are below the trend. The trend is bearish, so you need only sell trade. Even as much the ADS is showing you trending market, so you only need sell. So you can see price touch the 50, and yep, and price um, gave you a beautiful sell. Here you can risk go full margin. All right, so you place your stop loss maybe above this high because you can see they're very, very close. So you can just place it here or there. It just depends. All right, so yeah, so you have two ones of, I've forgotten to to update my record. One, two, so you had three trades already, 300 pips. This is just the number one to two. You already have 300 pips. Just day one, day two. All right, let's see. So you're not gonna take this trade. All right, so you're going to take this trade. All right, so you can decide to put break even maybe at 50 pips, whatever. But let's see. How many pips is this? 45 pips. All right, so this is close to yeah, 45, 40, 83 pips. 83 pips. So you can set to maybe after half, 50 pips or so, since you're targeting 100 pips times two of it, you can decide to place break even, or you can decide to hit your stop loss. So let's just say you didn't place break even, you just place no break even on the trade. Yes, for transparency's sake. All right, so on this trade, you're going to lose. You're going to have a lose, yeah, no issues, one loss, and this part, it's so painful because yeah, this kind of would have hit your stop loss. So you can. That's why you just have to work it out. Work out what you like with this. You can set to be placing stop loss above here. But for me, it's a pure loss, but it did close to 150 pips. All right, so we had three losses, no issues. Three losses, three loss. All right. Okay, so for these parts, yeah, we're gonna put stop loss here, 85, 83. So we're not gonna be looking at 100 pips. We're gonna be looking for more than that. All right, so 85, 8 plus 8, so that's 16. So this got to our take profit here. So you'd have gotten it. Yep. All right, so you can see it's not just 100 pips. It could be 200 pips. It's not. So the title of the video will be how to make 500 pips in a day. All right. So within January 2nd to January the 5th, you would have made more than how many pips, guys? This is 45 pips high, and you need 45 pips. You need how many? You need 120, yeah, 120. Anyway, it from year to year is you've gotten it. So I don't know. Okay, because of time, I'm not just going to. I'll just stop. I'll just stop going this. So you just let me just move forward. So this was a win. This would have been a losing trade. This would have been a losing trade. This would have been a losing trade. This would have been a winning trade. One, two, three. This will cover. So I'll show you how to use this one trade to make from year to year to make about the $10,000 with maybe $100. And with $10, you could make $1,000 just with this move. And all of this would just you just lose $10. Why this move gives you $8,000 with $10. So with this, you're not going to take this trade. You're going to take this trade. It's going to be a win, and yeah, this is a good bullish. You're only going to be looking for buy. You're going to maybe lose this trade because of this pullback, but it went high. You're going to lose this trade. So you could see the ADS will be, if you're using the ADS would have been you might not take this trade. This is very painful. Assuming it closed below, you'd have taken it and catch it. So this trade, you'll have taken it and pull back a bit, though you might still be in profit. So yeah, you might lose. You definitely lose this trade. This place, you're going to be winning this trade. You're going to lose 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 this trade, lose this trade, win this trade. So you could see if I'd using the ADS, most of those losses I would have not taken, but no issues. Um, all right, so oh God, so just a moment. All right, sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. All right, so this would have been a winning trade. This would have been, let's see, very long, very long trade. So let's see, maybe a winning trade. Let's see from here to here. 100 pips, crazy. 140 pips. So you might just take care. So this would have been a losing trade. A losing trade, a losing trade, a losing trade, a winning trade, a losing trade, a losing trade, a winning trade. All right, a winning trade, a losing trade, a winning trade, a winning trade, a winning trade, a losing trade, a losing trade, a losing trade, a winning trade, a winning trade, a winning trade, a losing trade. So you can see a losing trade, winning trade, losing trade, losing trade, then winning trade. No, this pullback will have taken it. Losing trade, winning trade, losing trade. All right. Anyway, this is so large, I might not take this. All right, so losing trade. Now, if you include the what's it called, the MACD, the movie, this ADX, a lot of the losing trade you would have not taken it. All right, so you can decide to use whichever. All right, but even at that, so with this, you'd have had a loss. Yeah, because of this pullback, you'd have not taken this trade. You'll have taken this trade. Yeah. and win. So to help you from unnecessary loss, you'd have won this trade, you'd have won this trade, you'd have won this trade. Let's see. Likely win this trade, likely win this trade. Lose trade, no trade, yeah, no trade. Let's see. Yep, you win this trade, you win this trade. You would, this is too large. You win this trade, you win this trade. You win this trade, you would win this trade. You win this trade. Crazy, guys. And this is it. This is where we are. So you can imagine taking this trade from here. Stop loss was below here, 40 pips. You did 300 pips. And imagine you're stacking, you're stacking. Man, so guys, this is the video. And what I was saying about how to pass the prop firm. So let's see how many minutes is this video. Um, how many minutes am I saying? 16 minutes. Sorry about that. All right, so let me just go straight to. So how do we same stuff for the 1 minute? So you can start to add the ADS. Let's just do from yesterday to today, which was on the 5th. What's wrong with my? All right, sorry about that. I don't know what's wrong with this. So I'm just gonna go back a little bit. Seems it was lagging. Alright, so sorry. I hope the video is not boring. Okay, let's see. Alright, so guys, let's start from 7 p.m. Let's say you want to trade from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. whatever. Alright, so our first trade would be if we were to follow the ADX this time around, we would take this trade. So now for this, it's going to be just one or two. Okay, so stop loss only is the previous candle high. 1 to 2. Once you're 1 to 1, you break even. All right. So I'm gonna make another video for this while I'm using this to pass Parfum. And you're gonna take this trade. 1 to 2. Yep. Yep. 4 120. So somewhere around there. Maybe you might have broken even, but this would have given you a win. This would have given you a win. This would have given you a win. Remember, it's 1 or 2. This would have given you a loss. This would have given you a win. 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 It's crazy, guys. Crazy, crazy, crazy. This would have given you, let's say, yeah, depend if you have a big spread account. This might be a loss or a win. Depends. This would have been a win. This would have been stop loss below, yeah, maybe a win. Let's see. Let's see how many pips. 24 pips. Okay, break even trade. Yeah, a loss, but painful. But it went here. So on the 1 minute, I've had just maybe two losses. This have been a win. This would have been a win trade, a um, stop loss trade, a win trade. Just being bullish. Why am I not saying sell trade? Okay, loss because I'm like very fast. So I'm just trying to be fast. A win. So you can see just in a day, definitely you'd have gotten like 10 hour risking 0.25 or zero point 0.5 per risk and yeah, you're good to go. All right, guys. So backtest this. Send me a message on my Telegram. Join the Telegram. Sign up on our pocket option. We take signals. Also sign up on all of the platform we use, and let's make some money, guys. After this, I'm going to be showing you how to pass profit with this indicator live, and then also how to flip and how to leverage with this. All right. Thank you so much, guys, and have a great day.